Hey guys, we are at this place that you may recognize, and here's this Continental finally run. That's only blowing warm air out right here. Everywhere else, it's like in this part here. I think it probably just started up, and yeah. It's cold and sweaty. That's not warm. That's let's see, 2022 unit, and let's see the tonnage. I cannot see. So yeah. Here's these two run. Here's the KeepRite and the Fujitsu. It's double stack. 2022. This is new. Does anyone? There's ducks around it. Son of a gun. Nesco disconnect. And here's the KeepRite run. That's warm air coming out the fan. G commercial fan loader. Cold. Warm. There are 2 filter drives on it. That's cool. That's warm. There's something on the filter dryer. 2008 May. 2 ton. Good picture of both of these. There. And there's that again. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.